Hey guys, welcome once again to another episode of Cooking with Nino. Today I'm going to be going through some basic cooking techniques, and I'm going to be cutting up for you a beef tenderloin. So I've got an entire beef tenderloin here, which I picked this up at a Costco, and I'm going to be trimming this up. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the plastic wrap from this, and I'm going to ensure that we get this over the sink. And there we go. We'll just get that off there. And in order to trim this up properly, you're going to have to remove all the silver skin from the outer texture of it. And how to do that is you take the tip of your knife and just insert it below the skin of the tenderloin, and just kind of lean it upwards. So you're getting more of the silver skin instead of meat. And just go the other way. If you notice, I've got my knife tilted ever so slightly on an angle, okay, towards the upper part. This way there's little or no meat left on the skin, okay? And you just repeat the same technique. Take the tip of your knife, insert it, lean it upwards, and just run that knife along the silver lining. Come back the other way, tilt the knife the other way, and just reverse. And you just continue to do that until you remove all the silver lining from your beef tenderloin. And at that point, you can start cutting it up into little medallions and season away and enjoy your barbecue. So once we got our tenderloin all trimmed up, as you can see here, we've removed all the silver lining and pretty much all the fat from here. Now we've got to get it all washed, and we're just going to get it in a bowl there and just get some of that excess stuff off of it, wash it, and then we're going to pat it dry. Just get it out of there, and just a piece of paper towel and just pat it dry. Just going to pat it dry. And once we get it patted dry, we're going to be cutting our medallions. All right, and what we're trying to accomplish now, on the tip, you're going to get, little tippy-looking pieces like that. So you want to get more of a uniform piece. Okay, we just kind of cut. We're looking for roughly about a 3 or 4 ounce portion. Okay, and now you can cut it whatever size you so desire. It's entirely up to you. Alright, this is my choice to cut it this way at the moment, and that's pretty much it for getting your tenderloin together and getting all set and ready for your barbecue. So as I got my beef tenderloin all set, I'm going to be adding to that some garlic powder as well as some onion powder, salt and pepper, and of course I'm going to be adding some fresh thyme leaves, and last but not least, some olive oil to allow the ingredients to spread. I'm going to flip them over and I'm going to repeat that. And our tenderloin is all set to go. And if you like this episode and really enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And we will see you on the next episode.